Alright, I'm recording, guys. Put it on your shoulder like it's a log.
Nah, cause we gotta cure that.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Come on.
Here we go. We're good, we're good.
You guys got it? No, that's cool. The leaves will they'll come through. Yeah, nice and steady. Careful. Alright, just place it in the hole.
Oh, you want?
Fuck it, put it in the hole. Yeah.
Is that deep enough, Toasty?
Yeah, that's deep. We're just gonna have to backfill it nice. Let's backfill.
You don't think I should go a little deeper? Because this one was bigger than I thought.
Okay, fuck it. Let's go a little deeper. Just put it on the side. You only need to go maybe a couple more inches. Yeah.
We're almost there. I know what the roof is.
Just that white part needs to be down there. You see it?
Yeah.
So that's more or less, yeah, what you need. Beautiful little banana tree. Probably a 12-footer. I mean, my brother's 6 foot. He's at the halfway mark. Maybe 11 or 12-footer. All right. You guys need me to help put it in? All right. Go for it.
Drop.
All right.
Should we twist left or right? Tell me.
It's cool right there, man. Just maybe when we backfill a little to the left, right there. That's cool. Right there. We'll backfill now.
I feel like they're pointing like this way, see? This one's got like a crown of leaves, so I know directions.
When you backfill, Felipe, you get it with your boot. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Make sure you're compacting it good with your boot or with your shoe.
Yeah, he's going 360 on me.
Yeah. Let me show you what you could do with the shovel too to help compact it a little better. Slap it with the handle.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, okay. Do that a bunch of times.
Dude, this shit is so fucking good. Check it out, bro.
Oh, it looks way better, man.
This is.
We're gonna put 2 more.
Oh, motherfucking rock.
We'll put 2 more.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna
fit.
That thing dwarfs that maple.
Perfect. The maple will catch up.
This one just needs to go in